Hey, how are you? I'm Van Generette, and I'm going to be your principal instructor or primary instructor or whatever you want to call it for Sociology 210 for the summer. I wanted to make this video clip to try to make it a little bit clearer what you've got to do. And of course here it is for a summer semester. The summer session is 10 weeks long, and so I think sometimes if I could talk to you in person, semi-in person, that maybe I can make the instructions a little bit clearer. As you can tell, I'm dressed. It's summertime, and I'm semi on vacation. In other words, I'm not driving up to Southeastern every day like I normally do in the fall and the spring semesters. And so I'll be doing a lot of work right here from my home down at the beach here. And so I'll try to keep you posted that way. Anyway, let me tell you a little bit about myself, and I don't know if it's that important. Let's see. I'm married. I have six children. I have 4 still living at home. I spent almost 24 years in the Army, and when I got out of the Army after Operation Desert Storm in 1991, I've been teaching at Southeastern, 1992, ever since then. So, and my primary subjects are sociology and political science. I ran for Congress in 2000, and I guess you could figure out that I lost the election. That's why I'm still teaching here. But anyway, what I want you to do is understand that the main objective I have is to teach you something about sociology in the space of 10 weeks so you can get out that door, figuratively speaking, with an A or B in your hand for this course. So let's talk a little bit about it here. And of course, it's sociology. The textbook, some of you have the 9th edition, some of you have the 10th edition. I'm not that worried about it because the textbook is kind of a neutral part of this. The test will come out of it, but we'll talk about the test a little bit later. But, you know, there's a lot of material in here, and the biggest thing is in 10 weeks you're figuring you've got about 23 chapters in the book. So you're talking about reading a couple chapters per week just to stay up with things. Don't try to memorize it, but let's take it from there. I've sent you the initial email message, and what I wanted you to do is send me your telephone number so I can get hold of you if I need to. Give you my telephone number. Let me give you that to you again because there's been some problems with the other number that we had here. My number is area code 843-902-7735. If you need to get hold of me, go ahead and give me a call. Because this way we can, have solutions to any problems you might come up against. One student just called me today. He's going to UNC Pembroke, and he's having a problem getting his textbook right now, but he says he's going to get it tomorrow. That's the kind of thing, hey, look, don't worry about it, guys. Don't sweat the small stuff. We've got a lot of work to do, and we're going to make sure we cover it and make sure you get out of here. So, I'm going to send you an email message and a class update. And basically what I want to talk about, and we'll go over this as we go through the semester. Here's what the semester is going to consist of. It's going to consist of module journal assignments, discussion board assignments, exams, there's going to be 3 of them, and a term paper. Now, let's go back over each one of them so you kind of understand it. On the module journal assignments, at the bottom of each module, if you scroll down on the web page, you'll find out that there's additional readings. Pick a subject and write a little bit more about it. Go look up some stuff on the internet. Add to it. And what I'm looking for is about 2 pages, no more, no less, of discussion on that subject, whatever it is. So the journal assignments are going to be 10 of them. Now, best thing to do is keep 1 a week coming in to me. Send it by the digital Dropbox. Send me one attached as email. Do it in Microsoft Word, and that'll be squared away. Now, if you don't get it in on time, which brings me to the next topic, due dates are flexible. Once a week is great. If you do 3 this week, and you don't do any for the next couple weeks, I'm not going to have heart failure. The biggest thing is to get it into me before the semester is over. And so we'll talk about that in more detail as it goes along. The discussion board assignments, the discussion boards are pretty clean, cut and dry. And the topic, put a paragraph in there, and your 2 cents. Keep it civil. Don't, get all wound off on each other or anything else. But keep it civil and discuss the topic there. And there's about 10 of them. Exams, we're going to have 3 exams, and gosh, with a short semester like this, we're trying to fit everything, squeeze 16 weeks down to 10 weeks. The exams are going to be, I'll send you a review out, and the first one will be words and definitions. The next one will be half of the book, and I'll send you a study guide for us that helps you prep for that, and of course a final exam. Term paper, a little bit more ambitious, and that's going to be like a social topic that it could include anything from capital punishment to gun control to abortion, illegal immigration, any of the big social issues of the day, and that'll be MLA style. And we're going to get into that in detail. But right now, for the time being, anytime you send me an email, make sure you put SOC 210 IX1. Okay, let's go over that again. SOC 210 IX1 followed by your name, from your name, and whatever the topic is. Because I have to sort my email. I probably get a couple hundred emails a day. And so having your name on it and a class helps me sort it. Because if I don't normally open email from people I don't know. I think I'm running out of time here. And, if you got any questions, give me a call. Meanwhile, I'll try to get this up online. Hopefully you don't have dial-up, and so you'll be able to watch this video. Otherwise, just communicate with me with email.